Hello everyone. In this video we will see the PHP for loop. In PHP, for loops are two types, like a simple for loop and a for each for loop. So we will see them one by one. First we will see the simple for loop. Let's come to IDE and create a new file here and save it as for.php and basic syntax of PHP. So we will create some variable here s2 equal to 10. Whatever we can do with for loop, we can also do with while loop. So these are the two forms of the same thing. It's for the easiness of ours, and it's about our choice which one we want to use. So there is no difference between them, simple for loop and simple while loop. So I am using for loop here, and for I will declare a variable s equals 0 and s is less than 10, and first I will show you uh, initialize condition and update. This is the basic syntax of for loop. We have to first initialize a variable and then provide some valid condition and then update the variable. So we will see one by one how to initialize. First we will initialize a variable here, and s2 equal to 0. I have create the variable s2 and initialize it with 0. Then I will give a condition like s2 is less than 10, and in the update statement I will increment s2 by 1. So here I will print the value is so there is some error in this line. Actually we have to provide here the semicolon. Now it's okay. So come to the browser and see. First we have to type here for, then you can see value of the value is 0 1 2 up to 9. So it's printing from 0 to 9 because the condition here is s2 is less than 10. When s2 becomes 10, uh, as you can see that after every iteration the value of s2 is incremented. It increases by 1. So when the value of s2 becomes 10, then the condition becomes 10 is less than 10, but 10 is less than 10 is false, so it comes out of loop, and uh, then this code will be executed. Code here, for example, we will write some demo code here. Loop terminated when $of s1 is equal to $of s2. Actually it is s2 here. We will see when the loop is terminated. So coming to browser and refreshing the page, from 0 to 9 loop terminated when it is, we will write here simply when s2. loop terminated when s2 is equal to 10. So when s2 becomes 10, the loop terminates, and the message which is outside the loop here, this message is printed. So this was about for loop. Now we will see uh, for each loop. Now we will see for each loop. So first thing, we have to make it clear that when to use for each loop. For each loop is used when we have to print the elements inside a list or inside an array. Means when we have a long list of elements, then we want to print. We will not print them one by one by giving the index and making the loop. We are here we have a for each loop. We can use this loop to print all the elements into that list and in that array. So first we will make an array. Array equal to array, and here we will provide some elements like e1 comma 2 3 4 5. I think 5 elements are enough to demonstrate this for each loop. Then we have to write for each variable is array as $s. In here it will start from the first element of array, and for the first time the value of s will be e1, and second time value of s will be e2 and e3, e4 and e5. It will navigate through the array one by one. We have to do nothing. We have just write this for each loop, and we'll print this echo message. The element is $s, and then this very code. Now we will see the browser. You can see for each loop the element is e1, the element is e2, e3 and e4. So this is how for each loop works in PHP. So this was all about the for loop and for each loop. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Technophile. Thank you.